Most pool owners are damaging their vinyl liner without knowing it. Have you ever looked at your swimming pool and wondered why your vinyl liner suddenly looks faded, wrinkled, or even torn? You might think it's just getting old, but what if I told you that the real damage is probably happening because of simple mistakes almost every pool owner makes without realizing it? Here's the shocking part. A quality vinyl liner is designed to last 10 to 15 years, yet many homeowners end up replacing it years earlier. Why? Not because the liner was defective, but because of everyday habits that slowly destroy it from the inside out. And since replacing a vinyl liner can cost thousands of dollars, these hidden mistakes could be much more expensive than you think. Today, we're revealing the biggest mistakes that silently ruin vinyl pool liners, and more importantly, the simple ways to avoid them. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last tip is one that even experienced pool owners often overlook. Let's get started. The biggest mistake is letting the water level get too low. Your vinyl liner depends on the pressure of the water to stay firmly against the walls and floor of the pool. When the water level drops too much, the liner loses that support. It can begin to shrink, wrinkle, or even pull away from the corners. On hot summer days, this becomes even worse because heat causes the vinyl to expand and contract. Keeping your water at the proper level is one of the easiest ways to extend the life of your liner. Another common mistake is using too much chlorine. Many people believe that if a little chlorine keeps the pool clean, then adding more must be even better. Unfortunately, that's not true. Excess chlorine slowly fades the color of the liner and dries out the vinyl. As the material becomes brittle, small cracks begin to form, eventually leading to tears that are expensive to repair. The best approach is to test your water regularly and only add the amount of chlorine your pool actually needs. Speaking of chlorine, never throw chlorine tablets directly into the pool. This is one of the quickest ways to permanently stain or burn a vinyl liner. The tablets are extremely concentrated. When one sinks to the bottom and sits against the liner, it releases powerful chemicals into a single spot, weakening the material underneath. Instead, always use a floating dispenser or an automatic chlorinator to distribute chlorine evenly throughout the pool. Another mistake many homeowners make is ignoring their pool's water chemistry. Chlorine is only one part of the equation. If the pH is too low, the water becomes acidic and can weaken the vinyl over time. If the pH is too high, minerals can build up on the liner, leaving stains and rough deposits. Checking your water balance once a week takes only a few minutes, but can add years to the life of your pool liner. Now let's talk about cleaning. Everyone wants a spotless pool, but scrubbing too aggressively can actually do more harm than good. Using wire brushes or rough scrubbing pads scratches the protective surface of the liner. Once that surface is damaged, dirt and algae stick much more easily, making the pool harder to keep clean. Always use cleaning tools specifically designed for vinyl pools and clean gently rather than aggressively. Here's another mistake that surprises many people: completely draining the pool. While it might seem like the best way to perform a deep cleaning, vinyl liners are designed to stay underwater. Without the pressure of the water holding them in place, they can shrink, wrinkle, or shift out of position. In some cases, they may never fit correctly again. Unless a professional specifically recommends draining the pool, it's usually best to avoid doing so. Summer fun can also create unexpected problems. Dragging pool ladders, heavy inflatables, furniture, or cleaning equipment across the liner can cause small punctures or scratches that grow worse over time. Always lift heavy objects instead of dragging them across the pool floor. It only takes one small tear to create an expensive repair. If your dog loves swimming, there's another hidden risk. Dogs can accidentally scratch the liner with their claws while climbing in and out of the pool. Trimming your pet's nails regularly or providing a pet-friendly pool ramp can help reduce unnecessary wear while still letting them enjoy the water. One final mistake is ignoring small problems. A tiny wrinkle, a small leak, or a little discoloration may not seem urgent, but these issues rarely fix themselves. In fact, they almost always become larger and more expensive if left untreated. Catching problems early is one of the smartest ways to protect your investment. The good news is that none of these mistakes are difficult to avoid. Keep your water level where it belongs, maintain balanced water chemistry, use chlorine correctly, clean gently, avoid draining the pool unless absolutely necessary, and repair small issues before they become major ones. These simple habits can add years to the life of your vinyl liner and save you thousands of dollars in replacement costs. Now we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced damage to your vinyl liner that you couldn't explain? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience might help another pool owner avoid making the same mistake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple tips that help you save money and keep your pool in perfect condition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.